Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloha World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you allow on record what happened plugged in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option. Here are the things. Write the settings. That is not working. See, now it's working. I will enter the settings option. So in this option I will go to or press this gaming, and this gaming captures what we get. So the thing is save location, recording preference. Click here. See, so record what happened there when something cool happened in your game. Press Windows logo key plus Alt plus G to capture the moment. So I will enter the thing. So before enter we have to go to the on, then down arrow button. So here the record the last. The thing is record even when my PC is not plugged in. So now I will click this. So in this way, or I can here the select multiple time duration thing. See, in this way we can the select this thing. See, so in this way we can set the things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.